today, let's crochet a little bead. Buzzing, it's super cute. Use 1.8mm crochet hook with 4 strands. In the first round, make 8 short stitches. Tighten the coil. And draw through the first stitch. In the second round, add 8 stitches. In the third round, 1 short stitch and 1 increase. Repeat 8 times. In the fourth round, 3 short stitches and 1 increase. Repeat 6 times. In the fifth round, 2 short stitches and 1 increase. Repeat 6 times. In the sixth round, 5 short stitches and 1 increase. Repeat 6 times. On the seventh round, 3 short stitches and 1 increase. 3 short stitches, repeated 6 times. The 8th to 14th rounds are 48 short stitches. On the 15th round, 3 short stitches and 1 decrease. 3 short stitches, repeat 6 times. On the 16th round, 5 short stitches and 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times. On the 17th round, 2 short stitches and 1 decrease. 2 short stitches, repeat 6 times. On the 18th round, 3 short stitches and 1 decrease. Repeat 6 times. Body is brown. In the first round, make 3 short stitches. Second, 3 stitches in 1. Third round, 6 short stitches. Fourth round, 6 stitches increase. The fifth round is 12 stitches. Then crochet until the 8th round. This is the 8th round. There's only one stitch left. Half of the stitch and change thread. On the 9th to 12th rounds, 36 short stitches. Brown thread can be left uncut for now. On the 13th round, change to brown thread and crochet 36 short stitches. And the rest can be crocheted according to the diagram. The hook of the wings is similar to the head. Just refer to the diagram. Leave a section of thread for the antenna. 2 chain stitches. At the first lock stitch, hook 2 incomplete medium-long stitches. Then bring them out at once. Then make a slip stitch in the same position. Then use the reserved thread to wrap around the hook and pull the thread through. You need to crochet 7 or the right length. Finish the hook and cut the thread. Pull up the head. Insert both ends of the antenna into the middle. In the middle of the 3rd and 4th rounds. Tie a knot. Do the same for the other antenna.